Alright then guys, hello. Today we're gonna be doing a new hack the box challenge, and like I said before, I'm sorry for not finishing up the other pwn, web, or the other challenges. For the most part, we're gonna be doing a crypto challenge. I can't believe myself saying this, but we're actually gonna do a crypto challenge. This is gonna be a very easy one, cause I'm still not that well with the math when it comes to crypto, but I guess this one wasn't that bad when I did it. And so anyway, let's begin. So with this challenge, you're supposed to download a file, which I already did on my end. Um, just called ancient encoding.zip, and I already unzipped it and I got crypto ancient encoding. So let's just show this for you guys. Now we unzip it, unzip ancient encoding, put in the password, hack the box, and then you should get everything. Oh. CD crypto. Now I guess the first thing I did is just count the output.txt, and it looks like a hex number. The reason why I think it's a hex number is because the 0x at the end. This gives an indication that it's a hex number. So now just to check, we could check the source.py and see what's going on. So looking at the source.py, we see a main. So that's the first thing I look at. So we go straight directly to the main function, because if you see right here, if name equals main, and then it runs main. So first thing, main gets run. So it gets encode and it codes flag. And then if we go check in the encode function up here, it looks like it's first doing base 64. It's base 64 encoding the message, and after that is turning the bytes too long, so it could later turn to hex. And then right here it opens up an output file.txt, and it writes to it, and it writes in the encoded flag. So from my guess, we're supposed to find a way to unhex this, and after that at the end base 64 decode it, because that's the order of it. Because at the final stage, which is what we have, it's hex, and after that it's base 64 encoded. And if we look at, like I said, output dot if we look at output.txt, it's hex. So what I did in my case, you could probably use code on you could probably code it, but what I did was just use CyberChef, which is a great tool for encrypting and decrypting stuff. So what I did is just copy and paste it like I have it right here. And what I did at the beginning was base 64, no, not base 64, unhexed it. So I just went on the search bar right here. Oh, I guess I just, oh, right here. There's a search bar. So hex, not to hex, but from hex, converts that hexadecimal string back into its raw value. So that's what we're trying to do. So from hex, and next note we get this base 64 string. How do I know it's base 64? It's because of the equal sign right here. That's like one of the indications that something's base 64. So what I did was just go straight right here and then look from base 64. And if we look right here, it says base 64 notation is for encoding arbitrary. This operation decodes data from an ASCII base 64 back into its raw string format. And we have an example right here where it has AVGSBG8 equals becomes hello. And we have something similar where it's just the string with the equal sign at the end. So we're trying to get like the original value that it had. So what I did was just get from base 64 and put it right here. And boom, we get the flag. So at this point, I just copy it and then just paste it, submit the flag. And hopefully this is the answer. Unless I messed up pretty bad. Challenge already solved. So it looks like I already solved this. Wait, if I refresh. And I solved it. Challenge completed. So anyway, yeah, that was about it for this challenge. I hope you guys learned something new today. I probably learned about CyberChef, recognize hex, and then base 64 decode it. Anyway, that was about it. Peace.